Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you switch server in Mobile Legends. So first of all, I don't have Mobile Legends installed on my device, but I will guide you through. So first of all, you simply have to open up your application and log into your account. Once you log into your account, you simply have to go to the settings present at the top right corner of your screen. Now, in your settings, you have to go to the account section. In your account section, you simply have to click on the option that says switch server. Once you do that, you very easily have to select the new server that you want to switch with your old one. So once you do that, you simply have to click on done. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.